I forgot my birding book.
Well, she just kind of gave away where we're going. We're going to Bharatpur in Rajasthan to a bird sanctuary. Hey, Radhe Radhe. Because I had a dream that Elon Musk granted me the opportunity to ride the first ever hoverboard. And that's why I woke up in this hurry, flurry, in a good mood, ready to go see some birds. Oh, here we go, here we go.
The new bicycle you get.
These are, look at these. These are the high-tech ones we were looking for. Yeah, look at those, look at that seat cheeks. Look at those seat cheeks. New bicycles.
Yeah.
These are not the same bikes as last time, and I am so stoked. Ready?
Hello, good morning. My name is Hemant. I am naturalist from here, 25 years.
Here on, I'm not going to be using the Zoom to record the audio. It's way too difficult with the bike riding. I might capture some sounds from in there, but that's about it. People, when I stand around just like this with the audio, they tend to think I'm trying to like capture like electromagnetic waves or something. Just.
This is painted store.
Painted store. If you haven't, we got our first.
I tell you, this bike is this bike is heaven compared to the last one we took.
Oh, you know what, Devin? You can actually.
I can see him now, though. It's just very difficult because he looks kind of fat.
He is fat. I'm gonna see if I can take a picture. I'm gonna try.
We are mean environmentalists.
Huh?
These tour guides get their own National Geographic show. They know so much about every single thing here. It's almost strange. Like they could see birds where if you didn't have the eyes of a hawk, I don't know how you would even find them. And then when you look in the binoculars, you're like, oh yeah, there it is. Ready? Here we go. This is how you do it without looking like an absolute fool.
Very slow.
I'm going very slow. So reset is my cock.
Recess, macaque.
Okay. One thing I will say is that if you are a dude in India and you are looking for a nice place to take a lady on a date, this is a nice spot. I mean, this is a cool like dating idea. Take out your bikes, go watch some birds. Ditch the environmentalist dude though. Ditch the bird dude. Indian ring-necked parrots. They are so cool. I actually know about them because they stay in Vrindavan a lot and they're able to mimic human vocal sounds. And sometimes you hear them try to imitate the monkeys in Vrindavan. But you'll see many of these parrots that people take as pets back in the Western countries. They're from Siberia. So that is where that alcohol comes from, correct? The Grey Goose,
Grey Goose, yeah.
vodka.
Yeah.
So here you have it. The origin story of Grey Goose. He's like, come look at what I found. I know better. Yeah, we're trying to get algae. He's like, there's birds though. So this is the silver date palm. The sap of this unbranched palm is tapped and fermented into toddy. Now toddy, I had in Bihar before. It was foul. I tell you, foul. Fermented sap. And it was in a white bucket with flies covering it, and he just...
And we don't mean foul like birds.
Ha 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 ha. The only bird I care about is my green rose ring-necked parrot. Only one I care about. The birds, not my deal. But it's a nice park. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. So I would recommend coming to see it. Definitely. Well, it's about time. That's a wrap. We made it.